Dear Captain Bubbles, I've been on the team for over 20 years, and I still have not gotten a promotion or a raise. This is completely unacceptable. Listen, my family's at home. They want PlayStation 3 and they want to eat. I got them PlayStation 2 and they aren't eating. This isn't gonna cut it, Captain. My wife, she had to eat her own kids. We're becoming like hamsters or something. You know, are young to survive. It's awful.
Родина мать, я нашел их дом.
Plus, I want my scissor privileges back.
Ваш код не работает, но я найду другой выход.
The last time when I stabbed Joe in the face... That's not gonna happen again. Plus, Joe kinda died, so I think we're in the clear about that one. Sincerely, your friend, Captain Joe Morgan. No! It's go time. Hello, Verizon? I'd like to place a long distance call. I can wait. Gorbachev, how you doing, commie? I believe you have my stapler.
За родину мать! Оно у меня есть, я скоро буду там, но я не смогу его убить.
You.
Ты скоро умрешь.
I have no idea what you just said, but what if I told you I used this staple from the very stapler you were trying to steal and got out of those handcuffs?
Ah.
Red belongs in the American flag, comrade.